Hi, I am Kendall Root and I want to welcome you to my class for the 2020-21 school year. I'm teaching 3 courses this year, and the first one is Algebra 2. I'm teaching that right here in my normal classroom at Midland High School. Algebra 2 is a course that I co-teach with Miss Elaine Mahavier. So you might want to go and watch her virtual open house video in which she welcomes you to the class as well. The second class that I teach is called Computer Science Essentials. And just like Algebra 2, I'm teaching that here at Midland High School this year. Computer Science Essentials is the introductory course that we offer in Midland Public Schools into computer science. And typically we do 3 things in that class. We program tablets and phones that use the Android operating system. We program self-driving vehicles, and we program the computers using a language called Python. Now, I'm fairly certain with all the changes that are going to be in front of us for the school year that normal sequence of those 3 topics might change slightly, but I'm getting ahead of myself. The third class that I'm teaching is also an Algebra 2 class, but instead of teaching at Midland High, I'm teaching it virtually. So if you're a virtual academy student, then your Algebra 2 class, it's going to look just like this. All right, so no matter which format or which class you are starting the school year with, there's a couple things I want to address as I close out the video here. First of all, I want to let you know that I've been teaching here at Midland High for 17 years now. This is my 17th year, and I am more confident than any other year that this year will be different. That's okay. Different is not necessarily bad. I'm also confident that just like every other year, this year can be good. And so as we start the school year, I'm going to ask a couple things. One thing that I'm going to ask is start relaxed. As we begin the school year, it'll be change for everybody. And so I'm going to start slow. I'm going to ease you into it. If you've forgotten everything that you ever learned about math, that's okay. If you don't know anything about computer science, that's fine. If you're not sure how this new Canvas system works, not a problem. We're going to ease into all of those things. So the first thing I want to say is just relax. The second thing I want to say is we all have questions. Nobody knows what's in store for us this school year. Undoubtedly, whatever's happening on the first day of school will change before we get to the last day of school. And because of that, I'm going to ask you to just be patient and flexible. We're all going to have to react and change as we go. And the more relaxed we are as we go through the process, the easier it'll be. But finally, I want to assure you that in spite of all of these other things, we're still going to have a school year that's good. And you are still going to grow and learn and develop as a student. Whether it's an algebra class where theoretically you already know a few things, or computer science where we're starting from scratch. By the time we get to June, you will have advanced in your academic career and you'll be ready for what's coming next year. So, welcome to my class. I look forward to getting to know you, and I look forward to the school year in front of us. It's going to be a good one. Thank you, Chemex.